With Duo multi-factor authentication, one of the important things to remember is that authentication can only occur if the device that's being authenticated to has an active connection to the internet. And so in a normal case where we do have a good internet connection, in this case the device that I'm authenticating to has multiple users. I just select my user and have Duo go ahead and send the authentication call out.
Welcome to Duo. If you were not expecting this call, please hang up. Otherwise, press any key on your phone to log in. Thank you. Goodbye.
And that completes our multi-factor authentication under normal circumstances. With Duo multi-factor authentication, one of the settings which can be used is to allow for authentication when a device is off of the internet or is offline. This is necessary so that users can still log into their devices securely if their internet connection goes down. So what I'm going to walk you through is what you would see as a user once your Duo administrator has configured your multi-factor authentication to allow for offline authentication. And this is what you would see on your device the first time that you log in after that setting is adjusted. So I'll go ahead and select my particular Duo user.
Please hang up. Otherwise, press any key on your phone. Thank you.
And you will see this particular pop screen, which is an invitation to configure your phone to allow for offline authentication. And in your particular case, you could select to enroll later, which will error out and not allow you to log in at this point in time. Or you can select to use Duo Mobile passcode. You select to activate this. You would then pull up your Duo device and you want to enter in your offline code. So you're going to select to add. And you're going to change this to show your workstation name, whatever you want for it to be, so that you can recognize it in Duo. And I normally recommend to label the name of the device that it says offline on it. You go ahead and save that computer name, and then for this authentication sequence it will immediately take you to your offline code. You will go ahead and enter the offline code that you see here. And you have just activated your offline, your capability to authenticate while offline. Now with Duo multi-factor authentication offline feature enabled by your administrator, you can see that on the device that we want to log into that the internet connection is down. And so how does that look to you as a user? Well, you'll go ahead and log in as you normally do. And you'll see in a moment a Duo screen pop. And the Duo screen pop indicates that your device is offline, says that your computer is not connected to the internet, and to enter your 6-digit offline passcode. So with your Duo app on your phone, you'll select the offline device that you had just created, and you'll enter the code in, select to log in, and you proceed to authenticate as normal, and you can proceed to work.